Hi friends, this is the new video of Y series, Why Make Hot to Cool Faster. Let's take a container A which contains a 250 ml of milk and it is at 100 degrees centigrade, and take another container called a container B that also contains the 250 ml of milk but it is at 35 degrees centigrade, and you took both the containers and have put in the freezer to convert into the ice cream. Now, what do you think? Who will take a less time to freeze? Whether the milk in the container number A or the milk in a container B? What do you think? So you will do a little calculation. For an example, for the container A, your milk has to go from 100 degrees centigrade to the 0 degree centigrade. So it has to travel by a 100 degree centigrade. But whereas in the container B, it has to travel only 35 to 0. So there is a difference of 35 only. So obviously we will say the container B will take a less time to freeze. But if you see in reality, what happens? That container A freezes faster than container B. Oh my God! But question is why? Why this happens? And every scientist was trying to figure that out the answer. But the answer for this query actually given by Sir Isaac Newton, and we know this law called the Newton's law of cooling. What the Newtons told us that the rate of cooling or the speed of cooling is actually depends upon the temperature difference. If more the temperature difference, the faster is the cooling. So the rate depends upon how much is the temperature difference. In mathematical terms, we can define this by dy by dt. Here is the temperature difference. It directly proportional to how much is the delta. So what's the meaning of this? The meaning of this is we can explain by the graph. Let's take a one y-axis where I will plot the temperature difference, and we will take the x-axis where we will take the time to cool that liquid. Now suppose your milk is at 100 degrees centigrade and you would like to cool it to the 0 degree centigrade. As per the Newton's law of cooling calculation, it will take 15 minutes of time. Just 15 minutes. My God, because the temperature difference is 100 degrees centigrade. But if the temperature difference decreases to 80 degrees centigrade, as per the Newton, time taken will increase, and as per calculation, it reaches to 33 minutes. Now, if we further decrease the temperature, let's say to 60 degrees centigrade, we see as per Newton calculation, time comes out to be 56 minutes. And for our case, which is the 35 degrees centigrade, time is coming out to be 100 minutes. Oh my God. And if we join all those points, we see a curve. And this curve is not a linear, but it is an exponential curve. This is a fantastic journey. This is the mathematical equation of that. What's the meaning of this? The meaning is that container A will freeze faster than B. Why? Because the temperature difference is more. It will just take a 15 minutes to freeze, whereas the container B will take 100 minutes to freeze. So, in summary, why make hot to cool faster? Because speed of the cooling depends upon the temperature difference. Because the more the difference, the faster the cooling, as the Newton told us. Because the natural cooling follow the exponential path, not the linear path, and this is what the discovered by the Newton. We call Newton's law of cooling. So that means the 100 degree centigrade milk will convert into the ice in 15 minutes, whereas 35 degree centigrade will take 100 minutes of time. Oh my God, isn't it amazing? Thank you. Hope you would have enjoyed this video.